Grants and media coverage. Musculus X was simply acquainted with the market before in 2016 and has been accessible to United States occupants for even less time. All things considered, the item has not gotten a ton of media consideration except for being included on an assortment of working out and men's well-being sites. On the off chance that this recipe demonstrates to amplify results, almost certainly, the assembling Lions. Safe and secure checkout. Shockingly, there are no data on the checkout page of the official site with respect to security or confirmation. Clients should contact. Valuing. The valuing of Musculus X to a great extent relies upon the alternatives picked by the individual client. There is as of now an overall alternative with the expectation of complimentary sending on any requests, yet clients can choose to accelerate the transportation procedure for an expense of Euro 6.99. The starter pack contains just a single container of the item at a cost of €69.95. There is as of now a €10 markdown on this kind of request, which implies that the last cost for a solitary container right now is €59.95. For clients who are somewhat more certain this is the enhancement for them, there is a purchase 2 get 1 free offer for an aggregate of 3 jugs. The underlying expense of this arrangement is Euro 139.90. The present markdown on this group is €20 at a last cost of €119.90. The last alternative for a heap of this item is a purchase 3 get 2 free offer which sums 5 containers of enhancements. This bundle costs €209.85 short the rebate of €30 at a last €179.85. Cost. Geniuses. This new recipe is said to build vitality in record time and a few clients report feeling a distinction following one day. Since metabolic procedures are accelerated by these fixings, clients regularly lose previous muscle versus fat. The amino acids help to fabricate proteins that are utilized for different things all through the body. It just takes ingestion of 2 cases per day, so it is anything but difficult to fit it into any way of life. Cons. There is extremely negligible data being discharged about the present equation. On the off chance that unintentionally ingested by ladies or youthful youngsters, there can be perilous impacts. The item's requesting procedure isn't checked as sheltered and secure. Clients need to check with a specialist to guarantee that the fixings won't respond with whatever other prescriptions that may at present be recommended to the client. Musculus X. Rundown. Musculus X is a natural testosterone boosting supplement that simply hit the market this year and is accessible universally, in spite of the fact that there isn't a ton of data discharged about the equation. The fixing develops slender bulk. Men should take 2 pills every day and keep up a sound eating routine and exercise amid the program. This is a decent alternative for men hoping to battle the negative effect that low testosterone levels can have on manliness.